Hello everybody, welcome back. We're starting Unit 4, which is called Activities. So things that we can do, and in this unit, the first thing we had was Kate and Andy, and they are going swimming, but Kate's worried. She keeps thinking that she forgot something, and Andy's trying to help her remember. Let's watch the video to remember the dialogue first.
Let's go.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Not yet. Wait a minute.
What? Why?
I think I forgot to do something.
Did you put on sunscreen?
Yes, I did. I put it on before I came outside.
Did you turn off the radio?
Yes, I turned it off.
What is it? What about your glasses? You were wearing them.
Oh, I forgot about them. Thanks.
What did Kate forget? Okay then, you're ready.
Oh no! Now I remember.
What?
I forgot to take off my watch.
I hope it's waterproof.
At the start of the dialogue, there was a quick little bit that looked like this in your books. And it's a good thing to remember. It asks, are you ready? And if you are ready, you can say, yes, I am. And if you aren't ready, you can say, not yet. Wait a minute. So let's practice that first.
Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Are you ready? Not yet. Wait a minute. Are you ready? Not yet. Wait a minute.
Second, we had how many? 8. 8 brand new phrases. And all of these phrases talked about, they're called phrasal verbs because it's an action, but the action has more than one word. So let's look at them first.
Put on sunscreen.
Turn on the TV.
Take off your watch.
Turn off the radio.
Turn in your homework.
Turn up the heat.
Clean up your room.
Turn down the music.
Great. And now we were using them with a yes-no pattern. And in your book, it looked like this. Okay, and it's a little bit hard because after we answer yes or no, we have to, if we say yes, then we have to use the past tense and change the thing in the sentence to it. So for example, did you turn on the TV? I would say, yes, I turned, past tense, it on. And if it's a no answer, then we have to still change it to it, but we're going to use didn't for the past tense. So same question, did you turn on the TV? No, I didn't turn, no ED, it on. So it's a little bit difficult, and I think that we can use some more practice with it. So let's practice that right now.
Did you put on sunscreen?
No, I didn't. I didn't put it on.
Did you turn in your homework?
Yes, I did. I turned it in.
Did you clean up your room?
Yes, I did. I cleaned it up.
Okay, and that was all that was on these 2 pages. So let's jump into our workbooks for today. All right, let's do our workbook. This is Unit 4, Activities. And this first part is the Let's Talk section. And it just says unscramble and write. So we have different parts from the dialogue, and we just have to put the words in the right order. Let's do number 1. Are you ready? Not yet. Minute. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Wait, please. Wait a minute. M-I-N-U-T-E. All right, number 2. Why? To forgot something I think do. Okay, so this one was I think I forgot to do something. Okay. If you can't remember what these are, just look in your student book. It's the same as the dialogue. I think I forgot to do something. Put on you sunscreen. Did? Yes, I did. I put it on. All right, so this should be, did you put on sunscreen? Did you put on sunscreen? Okay, number 4 and 5. Off you radio turn the did? Yes, I turned it off. So same thing. Did you turn off the radio? Did you turn off the radio? Now I remember. I take off watch, my forgot to. I forgot to take off my watch. I forgot to take off my watch. And part A is done. And this is part B. Part B just says match. So we're going to match the words to the right picture. And there we go. They're all on the screen. Let's start. Number 1 is turn in your homework. And there we go. There's homework and she's giving it to the teacher. She's turning it in. So there we go. Turn it in. Number 2, turn up the heat. So it means make it hotter. Turn it up. Right there. She's touching the heat and turning it up. Number 3, turn down the music. That means make the music quieter, which is right there. No, that's not. That's turn off. This one's turn down. I think even though he's touching the play button, I think it's this one. I'm gonna go with this one because the volume's going down. And the last one is turn off the radio. That's this one because he's touching the off button. Turn off. Okay, part B is done. Okay, and part C says answer the questions. So let's look at the pictures and then we're going to answer the questions using pronouns. So here we go. Did you clean up the room? Yes, I cleaned it up. And it means the room. So yes, I cleaned it up. Number 2, did you take off your watch? She's wearing it, so we'll say, no, I didn't take, and then a watch is one thing, so it off. No, I didn't take it off. Did you turn on the TV? Yes. I turned, TV's one thing, so it on. Did you put on sunscreen? Look at his face, he's burnt. So no, I didn't put, sunscreen's one thing, it on. And part D is done, so we're all done workbook. Good job.